Alright guys, yeah, we're getting, they look to be a little bit worse than a little bit earlier. I'm gonna uncover the microphone. This is part 2. Oh my god, look at that. Part 1 didn't turn out as good because I was recording, like, my phone was up, but I have to record it on this side to make it full screen. No wonder why my phone was making all those weird shaped. Sorry. The other one I did say 3 minutes, but I turned out to be 6, so I guess you got a longer video out of it. It's all good though. Oh, I love this crap. Weather is cool, but it's scary usually. Come on. My plastic is... I gotta hold my phone tight. I don't want to give it up. I should probably have a phone case. Yeah, that's crazy. So I've been hearing some banging. I'm pretty sure it's this metal thing right here. Hold on. I'm pretty sure that's what that is, though. That thing right there. I gotta hold my phone nice and tight. This thing was $60, but still, I need it. Or I make you guys nice and, you know. Now there's like light out here from like my neighbor's house. Most likely because of the wind and shit. They're actually not that bad now. Never mind. It sounds really good on my camera other than real life. I watched it and it sounded good. Oh, look, you can see a star up there. Little star. I'm pretty sure they look like a lot of stars. Come on, wind. Give me some. I know, guys. Sorry about that. It's honestly worth it. Oh yeah, here's the cut. It's doing alright. I'll survive it. Got cut by this wooden thing over here. Not this. Not that, but this. Somewhere over here. I like that green tree over here. The one with the light on it. You can probably see it better. Oh, here it comes. We aren't even under a wind advisory. That's pretty insane. This is pretty powerful. Oh my god, dude. Easily, like, probably 40, though. Yep, here we go. Yeah. It's hard to see though, because I'm recording off like a 4-camera display, quad camera. This is an A12 I'm using. My old phone I used to record on was an A01. That's the one I used to have before it broke. What the heck? I see lights over there. Just right. That yellow dot right there. Huh. I guess. Oh my god. I'm not sure guys can see, but look how fast those clouds. Hold on. Look how fast those clouds are moving up there. Like, do you see that? Now everything calmed down. That's eerie. It just calmed down. Here it comes. I gotta let you guys see this. It sounds awesome. Cause like I'm only like not even a yard away from this tree right there. That tree. What the heck is that? That is a weird bang, dude. It's like we're having branches or something fall. But dude, I wish I'd seen these branches fall. Like that right there. Those would have been the coolest scene fall. But too bad I was asleep that time that happened. Yo, look. Those are the clouds over there. Up there. Seriously, I'm hearing a bang, but I don't know where it is. Oh dang, the other video was even better than this one, honestly. We'll wait until one more gust, and then I'll stop. Like a big gust. If there even will be. Yo, here's a better one. You see how fast those are moving, guys? Like, those clouds are moving like the speed of the wind right now. Like, at least 50 miles an hour. Boom, already gone. You seen that just disappear so quick. These clouds are moving like rockets, I swear. Yeah, look at all this snow. Hold on, guys, I'll be back. I gotta do some. Okay. I just tried to call for my cat. Well, not mine, he's all of ours, but still. One little whistle. I hope he's alright. He should be fine. Just as long as any branches are staying away from him. This is... Oh, here we go. I gotta let you guys hear this. That wasn't even that bad. That was lame. Even bigger, damn it. Okay. Here we go. A little bit bigger. Bruh. How? Yo, look at that tree. You know, I guess it did stop here, so I guess I'm going to end it here. I'll try to do a part 3 a little later on if anything is... if it's quicker. If that makes sense. Like, if like the wind is more stronger. It looks like everything died down from the... I heard it going crazy a little bit ago, but I'll keep you guys updated on it. Peace.